Hi, third grade. Today for math, we're going to be delving into word problems. And our main objective today is to solve word problems involving the addition of money. And then we're going to go off on a little tangent and practice writing out amounts of money into word form and then switching it the other way around too, and receiving the word form of money and writing out the numerical form. So the first thing we're going to do is word problems involving addition of money. So our word problem number 1 is Isaac bought a toy car for $6.95. He also spent $2.80 on his McDonald's meal. I'm so jealous of Isaac. How much money did he spend altogether? So what is our question here? We need to know how much money he spent altogether. Well, in that question, I see a keyword. Do you see a keyword? That's right, it's all together. All together means we're going to find the sum or the answer to an addition problem. So here I wrote my equation, $6.95 plus $2.80 equals blank. So this is where I'm going to put my answer when I find it. And then Isaac spent how much money altogether? So the way I did this is I saw that $2.80 could easily be moved up to $3. So instead of adding $6.95 plus $2.80, I came down here and I added $3. And I got $9.95. But is that what we were supposed to add? No. You see, here I added 20 cents. 0.20. 0.20. There we go. I added 20 cents here. See it? That made it $3. So basically what needs to happen is I need to do the opposite to the other side. I need to take away 20 cents. So since I added 20 cents to get my answer easier because I didn't want to add 9 plus 8 and 5 plus 0, I just wanted to add 5 plus 0, 9 plus 0. All I have to do is take 20 away from this number. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 2, 9. 8, 7 is 7. And then 9 minus 0 is 9. So my correct answer would be $9.75. So Isaac spent $9.75 altogether. Now, it is completely okay if you wanted to just add your numbers together the regular way and carry your 1, but I wanted to try the strategy that we learned yesterday for mental math, which is when we formed the next dollar instead. So that's the strategy that I used here. Okay, word problem number 2. Delilah paid $11.90 for a pen. She had $24.65 left. How much money did she have at first? So let's say this represents the pen that we bought. This is a part-whole model, a comparison model. So this is a part, this is a part, and the entire bar is our whole, which is represented by this question mark. So if this represents a part of the money that she had at first, she spent $11.90 on a pen. And then this is what's left of what she started with, $24.50. So we need to find the whole what she started with. So the equation that I wrote out was $11.90 plus $24.50 equals what? And then we have to find out Delilah had how much money at first. So if we look at our comparison model. Actually, this is our part-whole model, sorry. Our part-whole model here. And we know we need to find the whole. That's how I knew we had to add, because two parts added together make a whole. So I'm just going to do this the regular way. I'm going to line up my $11.90 on top of my $24.50. And the first thing I would do is I would add my ones together. So, well, actually, it's like your your ones part. Let's just start on the very right hand side. So 0 plus 0, we get 0. And then I have my 5 plus 9. So we know that 9 plus 5 gives us 14. So I carry my 1. And don't forget my decimal point. And now I have 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. And you can be doing this on your paper too. You can always have paper on the side that you can be lining these up and adding with me. I'm just kind of doing it in my head because I can't show you my screen and paper at the same time. I wish I could. So I get 6, and then I have 1 plus 2 gives me 3. So you should have gotten $36.40. So how much money did Delilah have at first? Delilah had $36.40. Notice how I am speaking the amount of money in the correct way. I'm saying and every time that there is a decimal point, so make sure you do that too. And our last word problem number 3. Jaden, you save $6.75 this week. He saves $2.35 less this week than last week. How much money did he save last week? Wow, this one's a little hard. So I used the comparison model instead of our part-whole model, because remember, wait, where is it? The part-whole model right here is when you have a whole bar and then you split up the two different sections into parts. So the comparison model is when you have two bars next to each other and they're comparing their information. So last week is what we need to figure out. How much money did he save last week? That is our question we need to know. So we need to find the answer to that. Last week is empty. We don't know. But we do know this week. And we do know that last week was $2.35 less than this week. Wait. No. Last week was $2.35 more than this week. So that's why I put that right there. So a part plus a part gives us a whole. We are looking for the whole again. It's not saying the whole of both weeks. It's saying the whole in our comparison model. So our $6.75 I put over here, plus our $2.35. So if I do this right, I get 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry my 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9, 10, 11. It's hard to write in text boxes. Okay. So I did 5 plus 5 is 10, carry my 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9, 10, 11, carry my 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8, 9. So I have $9.10. So hopefully that's what you guys got. Go ahead and do this problem on the side. Pause the video if you have to. Make sure that you get the same answer as me. And then I'm going to fill that in right here. Okay. In the last part of today's lesson, it's a little shorter than our first one, kind of the same as our last lesson. We're writing the amount of money in both words and figures. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write each amount of money in figures, and that's just saying like in numbers, in the numerical form, and not in word form. So if we start out with the word saying $5.65, I have right here the figure form, or the numerical form. They call it figures in our textbook. $5.65 written out. 5.65 with my dollar sign at the front. And I don't need to put my cent sign because there's already a dollar sign there. Okay, $10.08. $10 and, it's my decimal, 8 cents. Notice how I put a 0 here as a placeholder because I don't have any tens. Okay? And then $17.70. So I'm going to put my dollar sign and I'm going to put my $17. Oh, I see an and. My decimal must go there. 70 cents. Okay. 70. $17.70. Yep, that's right. Good job. All right, and now we have to look at write each amount of money in words. So we're starting with the amount in numerical form or as a figure, and then we are moving to make it into words. So you'll have to spell out stuff right here. So we have 80 cents, and I wrote out 80 cents. $1.36. $1.36. Remember, if you have a 10, when you are connecting your tens and your ones place, you have to use that little hyphen, which is that dashy thing. It goes like this in between it. So now I have $6 and that's my decimal point. 44 cents. Oh, but what did I forget to do? You're right, I need to put my hyphen there because it's between my 10 and my 1. Very good. Okay, so the digital slide today, make sure that you are going to your classwork section at the top of Google Classroom and you're clicking on that and going to the assignment, or it may show up somewhere in your feed on the first page, and click on the assignment and make sure when you finish it you actually go up to the top, and right here at the top it's going to tell you, it's going to have like a button that says turn in. If you don't turn it in, then I can't look at it and grade it, but it automatically shares with me if you turn it in that way, so don't worry about sharing them anymore. Thank you to those of you who were my guinea pigs, kind of, and helped me figure out how to do that. You guys are awesome. Well, have a great day. Bye.